GEESYS is well accepted #1 brand in India for entire solar BOS components manufacturing and supplies. GEESYS makes solar ACDB, solar DCDB, solar string combiner boxes, solar AC combiner boxes, solar LT panels, bus ducts, accelerator transformers, servo stabilizers, earthing electrode, lightning arresters, earthing minerals, cable trays, cable ties, MC4 connectors, DC cable, AC cable, and the entire range of solar BOS components. GEESYS recently manufactured 3-in-1 out solar AC combiner panel, solar combiner box suitable to 300 kW solar power plant. Here on this panel, GEESYS has used 200 amps MCCB, 3 numbers, and the output 600 amps cables has connected directly to busbar. The panel is specially made as the indoor horizontal type. Panel has been made with wall mounting provisions. We have used a Schneider make MCCBs. The complete panel is constructed with EC grade aluminium busbar. The output cable is taken from a busbar. That cable will be connected to a customer main LT panel. Here all the cable entries of input and output from the bottom. In case of any problem, we can see the individual inverter by switching off the particular breaker. The output power is measured with multifunction edge meter. The multifunction edge meter displays the data such as voltage, current, energy, power factor, harmonics, import energy, export energy, and so on. The panel has heavy-duty lifting hooks for easy transportation. The main specialty of GEESYS solar LT panels are MCCB spreader terminals are extended with the help of aluminium busbar to terminate the cable on the MCCB. Since we connect the inverter cable through an extended busbar to the MCCB, the MCCB will not get strained. We have provided weatherproof double compression glands at the input as well as the output. The panel is completely shrouded by FRP sheets for better safety. So in this panel, except your cable, everything is busbar. No wires are used to transmit the power. When we construct the panel with complete busbar, the reliability and the efficiency, the life of the panel will improve a lot. All the GEESYS solar LT panels doors are properly earthed. Necessary louvers and ventilation arrangement are given to ensure better cooling and efficiency of the panel. The panel is beautifully labeled and ferruled for the ease of operation and future maintenance.